Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you a very famous Pakistani cuisine called Koyla Karahi in our own Twisty way. Let's get started. For this we will need one medium-sized onion finely sliced into thin pieces. Now take 5 medium-sized tomatoes and slice them. Take one bunch of finely chopped cilantro. Cut 3 green chili into medium pieces. Finely cut ginger. Heat up half cup of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add onions. Mix the onion until it becomes soft. Once the onion softens, add 2.5 pounds of chicken and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix it really well until the chicken changes color. Now add tomatoes, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed red chili, half a tablespoon of garam masala, also known as hot spices mix. Mix everything and then cover it until the chicken and tomato leaves the water. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Take half tablespoon of whole coriander and half tablespoon cumin seeds and crush them well. Once the water starts drying, add our prepared mixture of cumin and coriander. Add cilantro. Stir it until the oil starts separating. Add garlic and green chili. Add 1 cup of water for the gravy. Cover it for 10 to 15 minutes and then add burning coal on top of aluminum foil with 1 tablespoon of oil on top of it. Cover it and turn the stove off for 15 to 20 minutes so that the chicken can get the aroma of the coal. Now we are ready to serve our dish. Serve it with roti or naan. Give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get new videos every other day.